Hello, this is Jotsin. I am going to show assignment number 2 for web application development. You can find the repository in this link, and also you can visit my web page in the link below. Okay, so let's start. First, I will show the code. The database I have stored on Atlas MongoDB, and I have connected with the web. Also, the page will display some buttons that will allow user to add contact information, to delete, and to change. We can see the code here that will show the buttons and the fields to change, delete, and add. Every one of these is one view. Also, okay, let me show you the web page. I have uploaded it into the web here. This is my web page. You can see that all the buttons, all the sections are working correctly. And here is the business contacts list. If I register and login, I can do some changes. I will create user 7. This is a fake, it's fake information. Click on register. Okay. Now I'm logged in as user 7. And as you can see, I can add, edit, or delete information. I can add a contact. For this, I will use just some fake information from here. Here. I also will use a fake number and a fake mail. I will use an add, and now we can see that it is here. It's updated the list. If I want to edit, for example, this one, I can click on edit, and let's say run.com, edit, and now we can see that the record has been updated. Also, I can delete, for example, this one. Are you sure? Yes. Okay. And I can delete. Now I will log out. I will end session, and my website will just logs me out. And I will show you the database, Atlas MongoDB database. Everything was based on the material that was uploaded to eCentennial page, eCentennial program. This is my database. It's named books, but it contains the information from the context. As you can see, here are the ones that we just changed, and the ones that also we added. And for the users are the users that I created for this test. Let me show you actually user number 7, the last that I created. And also you can, let me show you my GitHub, which as you can see, I have made some changes and uploaded. Well, this will be all, and thank you.